In this video, we will show you how to wire an ATV61 and 71 drive for 3-wire control. So first of all, 3-wire control means that you actually have push buttons for stop and start, and your stop is a normally closed push button and your start is a normally open push button. And on this drive in 3-wire control, your LI1 becomes your stop and your LI2 becomes your run pulse, normally open pulse for the run. So first of all, I want to go and show you the logic inputs that you have to worry about. So on this terminal block right here, you have LI1 and LI2. So your LI1 will have to be your stop and your LI2 will have to be your start. So your LI1 has to get a constant 24 DC signal to start in general. If it doesn't, it will say NST, and once that's made, it will say ready, and of course at that point you can go ahead and toggle your LI2 on to run the drive. So let's go ahead and check the programming now. It's pretty simple. On this drive you actually have one menu labeled as inputs and outputs menu, and then the drive also is already programmed as 2-wire control from the factory as well. So let's go and take a look. So from your main screen, in your drive menu, or main menu I should say, you want to go to your drive menu, go down to inputs and outputs menu 1.5, enter. As you can tell from the factory, it is set up as 2-wire control. So let's go ahead and change that to 3-wire. So you enter on that parameter, scroll down to 3-wire. Now you will have to press and hold enter for at least 3 seconds. Alright, and it'll go back to that same list. So that's how you set that up. So right now, as I've told you before, on the top left, your drive, it will say NST, because right now we have nothing wired to your LI1 terminal. If we did, it will show ready. And this concludes how to wire up and program an ATV61 and 71 drive for 3-wire control.